Find Fourier series for the function f of x equal to e raised to 7x in interval 0 to 2 pi. We know full range Fourier series f of x is equal to a0 by 2 summation an cos nx plus bn sin nx n from 1 to infinity. Find Fourier series means find a0, an and bn. Find a0, an, bn. Now a0 formula 1 by pi integral f of x dx interval 0 to 2 pi. 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi e raised to 7x dx. By formula integration of e raised to x, integration of e raised to x dx, e raised to x by a. Because of definite integration, no plus c. So here integration 1 by pi e raised to 7x divided by 7 0 to 2 pi 1 by 7 pi. First put upper limit, so e raised to 14 pi minus put x is 0 e raised to 0. Here upper limit first f of b minus f of a, this is capital F. By this formula first we are putting upper limit minus lower limit, but e raised to 0, e raised to 0 is 1, so a0 is equal to 1 by 7 pi e raised to 14 pi minus 1. This is a0. Fourier constant a0 is 1 by 7 pi e raised to 14 pi minus 1. Now calculate an. 1 by pi integral f of x dx. This is common formula for a0, an and bn. But a0 है तो into 1, an for an into cos nx, interval as it is 0 to 2 pi. 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi e raised to 7x cos nx dx. Now by formula, by integration formula, integration of e raised to x cos bx dx, answer e raised to x divided by a square plus b square in bracket ab. Cos है तो plus, sin है तो minus. Here first cos bx, then sin bx. By this formula now integrate. Here a is 7, b is n. So 1 by pi e raised to x, a is 7, a square plus b square. So a is 7, b is n. In bracket 7 cos nx plus n sin nx, limit 0 to 2 pi. Omit sine term, omit sine term, because when you are putting upper limit to become sine 2n pi, and sine 2n pi answer 0. Also put lower limit sine 0, sine 0 also 0. So for both limit the sine term is 0. That's why omit the sine term. Now this term cancel, only remain 7 cos nx. तो take constant outside, 7 constant है, then 49 यानी कि n square plus 49 into pi, and then e raised to 7x cos nx 0 to 2 pi. First put upper limit, तो 7 n square plus 49 pi e raised to 14 pi cos 2n pi plus e raised to 0 cos 0, but cos 0 is 1, e raised to 0 also 1, cos 2n pi also 1, cos 2n pi 1, e raised to 0 1, cos 0 1, remain e raised to 14 pi minus 1. Then n is equal to pi divided by n square plus 49 pi e raised to 4 pi minus 1. Now calculate Bn. Here Bn is equal to 1 by pi integral f of x dx, 1 by pi integral f of x dx. A0 formula, this is common formula for A0, An, Bn. For An, multiply by cos nx, for Bn, multiply by sin nx. So here sin nx interval as it is 0 to 2 pi. What is f of x? F of x is e raised to 7x sin nx dx by formula integration of e raised to ax sin bx dx. Answer e raised to ax by a square plus b square in bracket ab. Sin है तो माइनस, cos है तो प्लस, then sin nx and cos nx. By this formula 1 by pi e raised to 7x divided by 7 square n square. A is 7 and b is n. Here 7 sin nx and n cos nx, limit 0 to 2 pi. Omit sine term, omit sine term, because sin 2n pi 0, sin 2n pi 0, sin 0 also 0, 1 by pi e raised to 7x 49 plus n square minus n cos nx. Okay, so minus n by pi 49 plus n square e raised to 14x 14 pi minus 1. This is Bn. This is Bn. Thank you.